Grille LED lights from slingmod.com. We're gonna start with the unboxing. So we have the alcohol prep pads, we have the primer, and these are the 3 cords we'll be using to install the lights. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the hood and remove the side panel. First thing we're going to do is open the gas tank. You're going to remove the 2 plugs here. Next, open your frunk. There's an additional plug here and here you'll have to remove as well. Now remove your left bearing. Next, we're going to apply some dielectric grease to our electrical cables to prevent corrosion. We're going to start with applying the grease to the cables. Dielectric grease to the wire connector. I'm going to now install the wire connector. Okay. Next, we're going to plug it into the accessory connector. Next, we need to get our extension cable. Now we're going to plug the extension cable in. Once you route the extension cable alongside the existing wiring harness, you'll be able to pull it through. Next, you want to get a zip tie, and we're going to zip tie it to the existing wiring harness. Next, you want to be sure that your light fits the appropriate side. So next, we're going to fish the wire through the grill into the engine bay. Next, we're going to move the backing from the 3M tape. Next, we're going to connect the wire harness. Next, we're going to test the lights before we put everything back together. Okay. This concludes the video for the Ryker Front Grille LED lights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.